And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 30. Let me give you another example to practice. We're gonna create a simple Pac-Man design. Use the ellipse tool, hold Control and go to 45-degree angle. That gives you a circle. We need a yellowish fill and a black stroke. So for the stroke, hold Shift and then left click on the swatches. For the fill, release Shift. Then activate the ellipse tool and you can drag these circles open. You're going to use specific values. The start, make it 30 degrees, the end 330. So we have a 60-degree gap. That's our start point. Use the ellipse tool again. Once more, hold Control, go to 45-degree angle, then close it. You make it black. Now we don't need a stroke anymore. So to get rid of the stroke, hold Shift and click on the X. And when you resize it, hold Shift and Control. That keeps the aspect ratio. Now go to the center here, once again with the ellipse tool, hold Shift and Control. And I create a circle like so. Hold Control when you drag it to the right. That makes it snap into the horizontal position. Control C, Control V to copy paste. You want to have 3, and I always hold Control when I drag it to the right. That way they're in line. But maybe they're a little bit too big. I select them all, hold Shift and Control when I size them down. As I've said in the last video, it's important to practice, so try to recreate this design, and then we're going to start with a new topic in the next tutorial. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.